Hi, I am Keshav and I am going to solve third question for MAT 104 and SEM. So guys, in this question we are given an ODE which is y double dash plus 25y is equal to 24 sin t, for which we have to find particular solution. Therefore we are given with boundary conditions which are y0 is equal to 1 and y dash 0 is equal to 1. So we have to find this particular solution for this and sketch the graph of the solution curve as well as the YP. So let's start. Mm, as you can see, there is no y dash term, so we can say that there is no y dash term. So this is an undamped SHM. So let's start. We know for finding the general solution, y is yh plus yp. So first of all we'll find yh. For that we'll write the homogeneous part of this ODE, which we'll get by putting 0 in place of non-homogeneous term. So our homogeneous equation is y double dash plus 25y is equal to 0. Now we'll write its characteristic equation, which is lambda square plus 25 is equal to 0. Now lambda square will be minus 25 and lambda will be minus 5 plus minus 5i. So on comparing it with general imaginary root, that is a plus minus bi, we'll get that a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 5. So in that case when we got imaginary roots for characteristic equation, our general solution looks like c1 e to the power alpha x cos beta x plus c2 e to the power alpha x sin beta x. Here we are dealing with time t, so we'll put t instead of x, and alpha here is a, which is 0, and beta is equal to b, which is 5. So let's write yh by putting these values. We'll get c1, this is 1 cos 5t plus c2 sin 5t. Now I'm marking this as 1. This is our yh. Now let's move on to yp. So whenever rt is in the form of k sin phi t or k cos phi t, then our yp will be a cos phi t plus b sin phi t. So phi in this case is 1, as we've got 24 sin t only, so we are putting phi is equal to 1. So yp will be a cos t plus b sin t. Now let's find y dash. So y dash will be minus a sin t plus b cos t, and y double dash will be minus a cos t minus b sin t. So let's put this y double dash and y in our parent equation, which is y double dash plus 25y is equal to 24 sin t. So I am putting y dash and y here. Will get minus a cos t minus b sin t plus 25 a cos t plus 25 b sin t is equal to 24 sin t. So on comparing the coefficients of cos t and sin t, we'll get 24b is equal to 24, so b is equal to 1 and a will be 0 as there is no cos term this side. So now our yp is, when we put b is equal to 1 and a is equal to 0, it is sin t. Now our y is yh plus yp, so we'll write it down. c1 cos 5t plus c2 sin 5t plus sin t. Now for finding c1 and c2, we'll apply our initial conditions which we are given, that y0 is equal to 1. So we'll put y is equal to 1 and t is equal to 0 here. We'll get 1 is equal to c1 cos 5t. When we'll put t is equal to 0 here, cos 0 is 1, so we'll get c1 and these sine terms are 0. So c1 here is 1, and for c2 we'll apply y dash 0 is equal to 1 in our y dash equation. So we'll get 1 is equal to, let's write y dash first, which is minus c1 sin 5t minus 5c1 sin 5t plus 5c2 cos 5t plus cos t. So when we'll put y dash 0 is equal to 1, we'll get 1 is equal to, this will become 0 plus 5c2 plus 1, so c2 will be 0. Now let's write our final particular solution for parent equation. By putting c1 and c2, we'll get y is equal to cos 5t plus sin t. So we have to draw the graph for this. So I'm drawing it in positive direction. So this graph will be, see here the frequency of cos is 5 times the frequency of sine. So in one sine cycle there will be 5 cos cycles. So let's draw sine for reference. Just for reference I am drawing the sine curve. Now I am drawing the cos curve. So this will be something like this. As you can see, there are 5 peaks here, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this is our graph for this solution, and now we have also asked to draw the graph for yp, which is equal to sine t. So this is a simple sine graph. And so on. So these both graph will go to infinity in both directions, as there is no damping here. So that's it for the third question. Thank you for watching.